Tools and Twisties. Hey, Harbor Freight extended their parking lot sale. All Icon and Quinn sockets, 35% off. What should you buy? What should you skip? Well, I have quite a few of the sets right here. Let's get into it. Also, the U.S. General Service Carts, 25% off. That's an extension of the parking lot sale as well. That's what this is here, a full bank service cart. This one's in purple. I have one in blue over there as well. I really like these carts. This build out here is an entire Harbor Freight sort of pro level tool build out. We'll go over that in a future video, but we'll talk about the sockets today. Also on part of the extension is the Apache 2800 weatherproof case. That's right here. I picked this thing up the other day. I don't know if you saw my last video, but I did a sort of no compromise high-end $2,000 toolkit build out with a sort of to-go bag of some of my better tools when I really wanted to work on a project and it was going to be away from home and didn't want to use cheap tools. And I thought this case, I really like it in the soft bag, but I thought this Apache case might work really well for doing an alternate build out. I mean, I can just take this and pop it right in there and that works great. But I was thinking of doing custom cut foams and having sort of a purpose-built toolkit. But that's pretty good as it is. If you need to bring it somewhere and you're worried about banging things up, throw it in that. So that is the Apache weatherproof case. Also, we have Spring Black Friday coming up, April 6th through 13th. Yeah, this is another sale. I focus mostly on the tools, the better tools that are available during these sales. I'm not going to go through and read the entire flyer. You can read these for yourself. I'll give you a quick preview of it there. See what's on sale. A couple of things that are worth picking up, though. I think there's 35% off all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. They've had that sale before. I think it was 40% off last time. So this seems to be a thing. The Icon and Quinn sales that used to be 40% off right now are going down to 35%. Not quite as good, but still pretty good deals. This starts April 6th and runs through April 13th. And I noticed a couple of things on there that may be worth picking up. We'll do another video to cover this in more detail, but the same full bank service cart for $500, so it's actually a better deal now. So if you want one of these, pick it up now. It's $450 instead of $500. And this is my favorite Daytona jack. This is the long reach, low profile. This one goes the highest, reaches under the car the farthest, and drops the lowest. And $170 is a really good deal on those. I have a couple of those. I bought them for significantly more than that. So, especially if you have sports cars that are hard to get a jack under, or they have lift points that are a little bit more recessed. You have rockers on them that drop down to the ground. These are really good jacks. But that's in the upcoming Spring Black Friday sale. Let's get into the sockets that are on sale now. So I have this full bank service cart built out mostly with Quinn and Icon sockets at this point. Let's go through what we have here. This back row is the Quinn. Page. Back row is the Quinn half-inch SAE and metric master socket set. These are, by the way, are on toolbox widget organizers. I use a lot of different socket organizers. These are designed by Lou. These are really quite good. The toolbox widget, though, really can't be beat for getting really high density socket organization in a very neat and organized way. And that's what we've done. So we have the half-inch Quinn Master Socket Set, the 3/8 inch Quinn Master Socket Set, the 1/4 inch Quinn Master Socket Set, and these are just the metric tools. I don't use a lot of standard. I do have a drawer set aside here that I do have my standard sockets in, and I only have the 3/8 inch and the 3/8 inch impact and the Icon semi-deeps. And some leftovers from the Quinn bit set. But this is just metric, so we have the half-inch. It's really quite nice. I mean, the half-inch goes from 10 millimeter to all the way up to these big guys, well, 30, and then I have the two biggest ones here, 31 and 32 over here. And then I really like the 3/8 inch set. I think that's actually the sweetheart of the bunch. If you're only going to get one, get the 3/8 inch set. And I like it because it has such a wide range of sockets. It goes 6 all the way up to throw it on the toolbox. 6 all the way up to 24, quite a wide range, deep and shallow. The sockets are pretty high quality. They're not quite as high quality as the Icon. I'd say they're equivalent to sort of like a gear wrench, you know, not quite as good as maybe a Tecton or Capri, but very, very good. And there's nothing really wrong with them. I mean, you know, I doubt you're going to break them. There's a lifetime warranty. They're nicely chromed. They're nicely chamfered. They're just well-made sockets. You know, I had one person comment to me that they didn't like Quinn sockets because they felt they were very loose fitting onto the ratchets. So I thought we'd take a look at that real quick. By the way, this is the ratchet that comes with the 1/2-inch Quinn Master Socket Set, the ratchet that comes with the 3/8, and the ratchet that comes with the 1/4. Plus I have some Icon G2s and 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch as part of this. They're obviously not part of the kits. The 1/2-inch kit does come with some extensions, universal. Most of the extensions I have down in here. I've moved all the extensions from the kits down into my extension drawer. But let's take a look at the 3/8 inch and let's throw a socket on there. And I think what they were saying was that there was a fair amount of play that the Quinns had. And it is not the tightest fitting socket in the world, socket wrench combo. But I don't think it's the sockets. I think it's the wrench. These are, you know, the 90-tooth Quinns. Reasonably good backtrack. I kind of like them. They're a good, you know, mid-range socket, a mid-range ratchet wrench. They're virtually identical to the gear wrench 90s. This is a flex head with a bent handle, but you know, if you compare the 1/4-inch and the 1/2-inch, they're identical, which I have that aren't flex head. And I think it's the issue is really it's the gear wrench. It's the ratchet that is a little bit loose on sockets. Same with the Quinn, a little bit loose. I mean, you know, nothing terrible. Just for comparison, here's a snap-on and a snap-on socket, and you can see there's some play in that too. Not as much, you know, as the Quinn, but you know, it's not like it locks up. If you want something that doesn't move much, you know, this is the Koken with a Koken socket, and these are super, super tight. You know, for comparison, also here's an Icon socket and an Icon G2 ratchet. Now this is a semi-deep instead of a deep, so you don't have quite as much travel on it, but you know, pretty good. But I don't think there's anything wrong with these Quinns. If you take the Quinn and you throw it onto the G2 ratchet, you know, the play is about the same as what you're getting with an Icon socket. Probably not the same. Let's throw it on the snap-on. Yeah, that tightens it up quite nicely. So I don't find that to be a weakness of the sockets. The 1/4-inch set. This is a set of Icon adapters. This is the Quinn Master Bit Set, and I don't have all of them up here, but it has e-Torx, it has regular Torx, it has hex, and it also has those same ones. Hex in SAE, it has long hex, it has long hex in metric and SAE, and it has long Torx. I keep them down here. I want to get some upright organizers for them, and then they'll go back up top. This is my SAE drawer. These are the Icon semi-deeps on an easy red rail, another organizer. These easy reds are cool because you can just sort of, you know, throw them on a side of a box or side of a car or whatever you're working on. Again, these are more designed by Luz. These are the Quinn 3/8 inch Master Socket Set. But at any rate, moving back to up here, so Quinn Master in 1/2, Quinn Master in 3/8, Quinn Master in 1/4. This is the Quinn Impact 3/8 inch Master Socket Set. Not nearly as wide of a range, more of a typical range, 8 to 19 in deeps and shallows. For the 1/2 inch, I went with the Icons, and you can see just how much beefier the Icons are, for good and for bad. I mean, here's a 10 millimeter Icon versus 10 millimeter Quinn. And you can see, you know, I mean, obviously they're different drive sizes, but the Icons are just built much, much heavier. But, you know, the Quinns are actually kind of nice because if you don't have, you can use the Quinns as a regular socket if you want to. Probably not quite as strong when used on an impact. But you know, they're a little bit more slender, a little bit easier to work with. You know, the Icons are pretty beefy. And yeah, you can get the Quinn impact set in a 1/2 inch as well. That's one of the few sets I did not get. I did get the Quinn 1/2" low profile in metric, and these are similar to the Astros. I prefer the Astros in this size range because they come with the 3/8 inch interface instead of the 1/2" interface, and I have another video that I've covered that in. You can talk about it more. But these are so inexpensive, quite honestly, during the sale. If you don't have anything like that, you can pick it up. So the 1/4 inch, $36, normally $55, on sale for $36. 3/8 inch, $73 from $113. And the 1/2 inch, $101 from $154. So, you're at 110, you're at like 200, a little over $210, $211 for really all of these sockets here, which is a pretty impressive deal considering the quality and the size range. And they come with swivels. This one comes with a little 1/4 inch bit adapter. They come with the ratchets. They come with some extensions. Pretty good deal. I think those three are good things to pick up. One of my favorites, we've talked about these before, are the 3/8 inch semi-deeps. I showed them to you in the SAE. This is the metric version. I keep these on an easy red rail because these are usually the first sockets I'll grab. If I'm going to, go tack some bolts on a car, I don't know exactly what size I'm going to need, I'll just grab the whole strip. And I'll grab a ratchet, and then I'll kind of be set to go. If I need a deep, these will probably do in most cases. If I need a shallow, these will still probably fit. So yeah, these are sort of my number one go-to sockets. That's why they stay on that little easy red rail. This is also an easy red ratchet holder here. It's kind of cool. And these are ULSA, actually, little magnetic buttons, little silicone covered magnetic buttons, which work pretty well. And, this whole lid will close and everything stays put. Nothing falls over. I like putting stuff on my lid, but I like to be able to close my lid too. So anything that I put on the lid here has to be able to hold in place when I close. Easy red wrench holder, by the way. People always ask about those. So we talked about the three Quinn sets, master socket sets, and the Quinn Master Bit Set, and the Quinn 3/8 inch impact set, and the Icon 1/2 inch. Here's the Quinn 3/8 inch SAE Master Bit Set, $55. This was a little bit cheaper during the last parking lot sale because there was an overlap with the instant savings. That's actually what made it $55. So I think it's going to be a little bit more. It's going to be $65 now because it's gone back up to $100, I think. And then it'll be 35% off that. But still, a pretty good set of impact sockets for a pretty reasonable price. And then the Quinn 1/2 inch low profile, $26. Can't kind of go wrong with that. Then, the Quinn meme set, I believe, is part of the sale. Normally $80 or $85. These things vary depending on what store you're at. On sale for about $55. This is the Icon little adapter kit. 1/4 inch to 3/8, and 3/8 to 1/4, and 3/8 to 1/2, and 1/2 to 3/8. $12 if you don't have one of those, pick it up. These were a giveaway at Harbor Freight not too long ago. I picked up a few sets. And then the Icon 1/2 inch impacts. These are the shallows that normally $55 down to $36, and the deeps $70 down to $45. I don't know for sure whether you might consider getting the Quinn Impact Master Impact set. You'll get more sockets for a lower price. It really depends on whether you think you need to do some really heavy duty stuff and whether you're really going to be rattling on these with a high torque 1/2 inch. Or these days I use 3/8 for almost everything, and I have some other sets of 3/8 inch impacts that go quite large, so kind of nice. And then this is the impact set. This is the Master Bit Set. Normally $100 on sale for $65. Again, all of these Quinn sets come in blow molded cases. If you want to set up a toolbox like this, you take the blow molded cases and you either leave the SAE tools in there, which is what I've done with some of them, and put the rest on things like these toolbox widget organizers, or whatever organizers you want. They're designed by Lou, Easy Red. There's a bunch of different organizers. Funny enough, I really like a lot of Harbor Freight tools. I think Harbor Freight tool organizers are kind of crap. Everyone I've tried, I've ended up either giving away, throwing away, or returning. I do not like their organizers. They try to copy some other organizers, and they just don't do a great job with it. So coming over to the bench here, we have a couple more tools to show you. These are the Icon 1/4 inch metric sockets in deep. I have them in deep and in shallow. Pretty good deal. I mean, 25 bucks for a set of deeps. Again, these are designed by Loot Organizers. And then the 1/2 inch set in deep and shallow. So the 1/4 inch set, 25 bucks on sale. 1/2 inch, 39 bucks. Then, so what do I think are skips? It's a little controversial when I tell people I think that they should skip the Icon. I really like Icon sockets. But these modular general service kits, they are a good deal if you want metric and SAE, and you want deep and you want shallow, and you're ready to buy all that. You don't have any of it. Then they make sense. 120 bucks for the 1/4 inch, and 165 bucks for the 1/2 inch. Or for the 3/8 inch. But the size range isn't nearly as wide as it is with the Quinns. This is a much, much wider size range. So if you're going to have one set and you want to try to do it all, I think the Quinn is often a better choice. But it is cheaper. Like if I bought the SAE versions of both of these, it would have been cheaper to, well, they don't make it in 1/2 inch, but if I bought the SAE version of both of these, it would have been cheaper to buy the 1/4 inch set that has both of them than to buy, them all individually, or about the same price, and then you get the ratchet. These come with the G1 Icon ratchets, which are not my favorite, but even if you take it and throw it in a truck bag, or never use it, or wait until they no longer exist and warranty it out for a G2. Yeah, so here's the prices on the individual sockets. The 1/2 inch deeps, 60 bucks, 1/2 inch shallows, 53 bucks. These are all the regular prices, minus 65%. And then the SAE sizes as well. Yeah, I don't have this. I have it in my drawer here. I can show you. I think this is also on sale. I kind of like this. This little Icon extension, spinning extension, pretty cool, 14 bucks. I'll show you this drawer while it's open. These are the extensions and adapters that come with the Quinn 3/8 inch Impact Master set. These are some of the, I think these are the extensions and the swivel that come with the 3/8 inch chrome Quinn. And a similar set of these comes with the 1/4 inch. The 1/2 inch came with the Quinn. Pretty good stuff. It also came with the breaker bar. The 1/2 inch set came with this breaker bar, which looks pretty decent. When you have the Icon G2s, you kind of don't need a breaker bar anymore. They're so darn big. Crow's feet are not part of the sale, even though they're under sockets. They're considered wrenches, I guess, by Harbor Freight. They're not on sale if you're looking for those. And the Master Technician set, not on sale if you're looking for that. What else? The Quinn Light, normally 30 bucks, on sale for 15 bucks. I have a bunch of these. I like them. We've talked about them before. I think they're great. If you throw them on the ground, you might break it. There is a little double hinge here, which makes it really flexible, and people like it more than the Icon sometimes because of that. But they will break. So either buy the extended warranty plan, or just know that a $15 ratchet is not indestructible. $15 work light is not indestructible. So that's what we have. That's what we have today. Tools and Twisties. Let me know in the comments what you picked up at the last sale, what you're going to pick up in this sale. We also have the giveaway going on. The Vessel 1/4 inch, the Vessel ball end screwdriver. Let me know in the comments if you're a new subscriber or an existing subscriber. TNT new sub, TNT OG, and you can enter for that. The giveaway is going to be at the end of April. Sorry, I don't have it out on the workbench today. Let me know what you want to see in future videos. You want to see more Icon stuff. You want to see more Harbor Freight tools. You want to see more about the cars. You want to see some other high-end tools. You want to see some more build-outs of to-go toolkits. And that's it for today, though. Tools and Twisties, we are out.